Introducing the Kenmore Elite Smart Dishwasher, part of a new generation of Kenmore appliances designed to keep you connected to your home. With the Kenmore Smart app, you can customize your clean by downloading 4 additional cycle settings. When you're on the go, you can also check cycle status and time remaining for cycle completion. The Rinse Aid indicator on the app even lets you know when it's time to refill. From delicate glassware to greasy dishes and pans, the 360-degree Power Wash Spray Arm provides maximum coverage for your dirtiest dishes. The oscillating spray arm blasts off even the toughest baked-on messes for exceptional cleaning performance. The adjustable rack system can easily accommodate large pots and pans. There's even a third rack to hold those odd-shaped utensils and an adjustable basket, so all of your kitchenware fits just right. Plus, the Kenmore Elite Smart Dishwasher is ENERGY STAR certified and compatible with Amazon Alexa. The Kenmore Elite Smart Dishwasher. Connect now for smarter living.
Welcome to your Gaggenau Dishwasher. It cleans and dries your dishes with exceptional performance, while still protecting your most delicate glass and porcelain. The handless door opens with a gentle push, revealing an interior bathed in perfectly diffused lighting. It features 8 wash programs, optimized to clean all your items safely, quickly, and beautifully. Auto for baked on or hard dried on food, mixed loads, and delicate items. Normal, 1-hour wash. Quick wash for lightly soiled items, glass care for temperature-sensitive items, rinse, and 5 additional cycle options: intensive zone for mixed load, power, half load for energy saving when washing less items, hygiene for high-temperature sanitizing, and extra dry with zeolite for optimal drying results for your dishware and stemware. All modes are at your fingertips and adjusted with the control panel on the interior of the door. Press the info button for detailed information on a specific function or option. Begin by removing large food particles and excessive grease. Pre-rinsing is not recommended, although some items may require pre-treatment. Load dishes in the baskets so that the insides of bowls, pots, and pans face downwards. Use the wine glass accessory for stemware and the sterling cassette for sterling silver. 3 positions for the middle rack and full adjustability allow for customizing to daily or unique needs. The smooth gliding racks on ball bearings close softly to prevent damage to your glassware. To add rinse aid, open the dispenser and add liquid rinse until it is filled. It will provide optimal drying results. Be sure not to overfill. To add detergent, open the dispenser and pour. For best results, use powder dishwashing detergent or tabs. Add salt to the dispenser in the base for water softening. It can be adjusted based on water hardness value. Press start and close the dishwasher to begin. Its operation is super quiet, so we discreetly project the remaining time of the program onto the floor. Keep the kitchen at the heart of your home with Home Connect, where you can easily access its user manuals, adjust your appliance settings, and communicate with customer service. The Gaggenau 400 series dishwasher.